this video, we will show you how to using Bing reverse image search. For example, we want to search this person using Bing, and we can open bing.com. To using reverse image, we can try click this button, and then you can choose browse in here, or you can take a photo or paste image or URL. But in here, because we have the photo, we can just upload it. We can click open. Now this is the results of our photos. And you can see this is some information about this photo. That's all tutorial how to using Bing reverse image search. Hope this video helpful.